24th June 2022. I posted on my social media profiles that gave me how to topics I'll make video for you guys. And I'm happy that at least one person, 𝐼𝐸𝐴 replied with a very good topic, which is about how to find best tags and keywords for YouTube video. People are already searching for what they want to watch on YouTube. So that is why it's important when you publish a video on YouTube, you should use proper searchable tags and keywords which you know your viewers are searching for. Please keep watching this video till end because in this video I will show you a tool which is best to find tags and keywords. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. This is me, 𝐒𝐸𝐤𝐷 from VidIQ with Fun YouTube channel, back again with the new informative video. In this video, I will show you guys how to find best tags and keywords for YouTube video. Is there any tool to find out? And a plus tip that when you should research tags and keywords. Before walking head towards our topic, I want to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please smash subscribe button. Yes, smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. First of all, let me explain when you should research tags and keywords. In my point of view, if you are a beginner, then you should research tags and keywords before recording your video, because you should explain what you mention in your video title and description. So don't understand that tags and keywords just part of search, it's part of your whole video. That's why I repeat my words in my video, those I mentioned in my title and description. I use VidIQ Chrome extension to find best tags and keywords. If you didn't log in VidIQ before, then please check out the link from the video description below to sign up. Install that Chrome extension from here. I already installed it, that's why it's showing remove from Chrome. This is my recent video and you guys can see its SEO score, tags volume and keywords in title and description score. This actionable score should be 40 plus when you upload your video on YouTube. It's important to maximize your YouTube rankings. This actionable SEO table from VidIQ Chrome extension. So make sure to log in VidIQ Chrome extension. Let me show you how I find tags. Firstly, I come on YouTube and write whatever is my topic about. Like if my topic is how to make money online, then I'll just write it here. You can see we have results but no tags. Now you have to enable inline keywords button from here, which is from VidIQ Chrome extension. By just doing this, we can see our competitor video tags easily. You can collect tags from here, those relevant to your video. Now if you will enable this search panel, then boom, here's more detailed information about your searched keyword, like search volume, competition. I recommend you to find topics having maximum search volume and low competition. Make sure to log in your VidIQ Chrome extension for those options. You can check out this video description below to sign up with VidIQ. You can open video and check tags ranking like that. It's more best way to find tags. Create notepad file to collect best tags. I use it free of cost, but if you like, you can upgrade it to get more benefits. If you don't want to upgrade it, then you can come on YouTube and write your video topic. Now click instead of this keyword and write star. You can see what viewers are searching before writing this word. Just collect those words and grab them into notepad file. Now remove this and click again at the end of this word and hit space. Now you will get words those your viewers are writing after this word. It makes clear sense what viewers want. Just collect those words and use in your video. That's it. I hope you guys did like this informative video. If yes, then please smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. If you do have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.